Hello everyone, first of all I would like to say thank you. This channel has just crossed the 11,000 subscriber, 11k subscribers.
Congratulations!
So thank you so much everyone for your love, support and blessings. Thank you so much. Keep showing me your love and I'll keep on making very useful and helpful videos for you guys. So basically in this video you are going to learn the different ways of creating the sequence in Premiere Pro. Most people are not aware of these methods of creating the sequence in Premiere Pro. They know only one way, and that is by just dragging and dropping on the timeline, and that's how you can create one sequence. But there are other ways of creating the sequence as well. So let me show you what are those different ways. The easiest way to create sequence in Premiere Pro is simply by dragging any clip over the timeline. So if you have this clip and if you want to create a sequence out of this, just drop this clip right over here and that's going to create a sequence for you. And if you are not able to see, let me show you. So it has created this sequence. This is the sequence, and that would create the sequence based on the settings or the resolution of the particular clip which you have just dropped right over here. And if you have the multiple clips like these different clips, if I select all of these and drop right over here, so that's also going to create a sequence, and that sequence would be created based on the first clip which I have selected. Alright, so now that was the simple and easiest way to create the sequence, and now let me show you how you can create a new sequence right from the scratch without using any of the clip. So for that purpose, what you have to do, you have to go to the project panel. If it is not shown over here, go to the Windows and select the projects, and over here you will see all of these projects which are available for you right now, or which you have just created or opened. And then you have to come to on the bottom of the project panel right over here where this page like icon is there, and click on this, and then you will get a whole lot of options and you need to select the sequence from here, and that would open up this dialog box right over here. You have some available presets, so these are different presets which are available for you. You can create your own custom presets and those would be available right over here. So in this case, most of the time you create the full HD sequence. So for that purpose, just go to the digital SLR, just click on this little arrow, that would open up the different settings. So it has 1080 pixels, 480 pixels, 720 pixels. So if you click on this, that would open this folder, and then you have the different presets based on the 24 frame per second, 25 frame per second or 30 frame per second. So you can select any of these and you can just write your name right over here, the sequence name. You can put it right over here, or you can later on change that as well. So then you have different settings. So over here you can change the frame size, frame resolution. Alright, so if you want to make it 4K, just type it over here. So you can type the resolution right over here, but I'm not going to do this, and press OK, and that way this sequence would be available over here. And if you want to support me to make more and more free stuffs available for you guys, then please consider buying my best seamless transition pack, which has 300 plus seamless transitions and elements for Premiere Pro. These are drag and drop transitions and elements which you can use and take your videos to the next level. Right now you can get it up to 70% off. The download link is in the description section below, or visit my website harshvardhanart.com. And if you want to rename it, just right click or double click on this and you can change it your project or anything else. And if you want to change its setting, just go to the just go to the top and select the sequence, and then you have the option of sequence setting. Just open this, and from here you can change the frame rate to anything else you want. You can change the frame size, frame horizontal resolution and vertical resolution, and all these different things, but most of these just keep this default and then press OK. Now you can select any of these clips and drop it over here, and this may ask you that your clips doesn't match with the sequence setting. If you want to change the sequence to match the clips, so if you want that, you can just do this. Otherwise, select keep existing settings, so that way your resolution would remain as it is, but your clips would be changed accordingly. Alright, so now there is another way to create the sequence, and that is by going to the file and select new, and from here you can select the sequence, or you can simply use the shortcut key, and that is Control N. And if you'll click over here, again you have all the settings, all the different presets available for you, and then you can rename it and press OK. That's also going to create a new sequence for you. There is another way to create the sequence, and that is by selecting clips. So if you select different clips in the project panel and right click and then click over here new sequence from the clip, so that's going to create the sequence. You can see the sequence has been created out of these selected clips. So this is how you can create the sequence in Premiere Pro. Alright, so that was the different ways of creating the sequence in Premiere Pro. So thank you so much. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the like button. If you have any question or if you want to say something, leave that in the comment section below. And if you have not followed me on Instagram, please do follow me on Instagram. My ID is @Harshvardhanart. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing for more amazing tips, tricks and tutorial related to the video editing and photo editing. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.